explain you Unit 4 poem Beauty by E. A. Shaw.
Children, this is the picture of E. A. Shaw. She was an American poet, writer, and a teacher. She was born on 9th September 1926 and died on 21st July 2014.
Children, the poet has explained in the poem that what is beauty. And if I ask you that what is beautiful according to you, so you might name some person, your favorite teacher or your mother or your sister. But let me tell you that beauty is not only restricted to human form. Beauty is in nature. Beauty can be there in your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. Do you want to know how? To know this, I want you to read the poem Beauty by E. A. Shaw. So let's start the poem.
Children, this is the poem Beauty. First, I will read all the stanzas for you one by one and then I will explain them. So, let's start with the first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest.
According to poet, beauty is there in everything. It can be there in sunlight, it is there in trees, birds, growing in the crops, and people who are dancing for their good harvest. So beauty is there in everything.
Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or singer chanting anything in earnest.
According to poet, beauty is not only seen, it can also be heard, like the nightfall, in the rain falls, and when wind blows, and in the song of a singer who is singing it sincerely. In everything, in everywhere, you can hear beauty as well.
Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest.
According to poet, in the third stanza, the poet said that beauty is not just outside, it is within ourselves. It is in your good deeds, it is in your good thoughts, which makes others happy, are really beautiful. And it is in our dreams that gives us reason to work with a new zeal. Beauty is in attitude, it is in the way we look at things. Actually, everything in the world is beautiful. The need is only to feel it. So, children, that's all about the explanation of the poem. Let's see the poetic devices used in the poem.
To know that which poetic device is used in the poem, I want you to read the third stanza of the poem. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your work, in your dreams, and even in your rest. So, children, the word your is repeated 3 times here. So, which poetic device is used here? It is repetition. Yes, as I have already explained you in the previous sessions.
Children, that's all about the poem. In the next session, I will discuss the question answers and the book exercise of the poem Beauty. Till then, bye-bye and take care.